everybody, welcome back to another Nifty Airsoft video. Today is going to be building takeover. So basically me and my team have got to go up through each level, clearing the level, taking out all the enemies, pushing them all the way to the top, and then taking a final stand on the fourth floor and wiping them completely out. It's a little bit, it's pretty much the exact same as floor clearance, but it's building takeover. We will do a reverse of defending the building, as the enemy will want to take the building back again and take it off us. So that video will be coming next week, so stay tuned. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. There will be a video every Sunday going up as much as possible. I have airsoft today, which is a Sunday. Unfortunately I couldn't airsoft yesterday due to family issues, but apart from that, let's see how we get on with today's footage.
Okay. Come on out. Come on, let's go. Yep. Watch your feet. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Good kill.
Okay guys, so that was a 50-50 kill. I killed the guy same time he killed me, so I'm going to regen. He's up to the next level. Let's carry on.
Red! 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 Right, other side, let's go. Someone dropped their old van down there, Marsh.
You clear?
Yeah, just cut the side clear.
Okay, hold on.
Clear!
Hey, dude?
Yep.
Hey, throw it, mate. Let's get grenades, lads. There's one there.
Yeah, small one.
Alright, lads, you calling it clear? Yeah?
Check the stairs!
Clear. Yeah, I think we should, yeah.
Okay guys, so now that we've cleared the first floor, we've taken the first floor from the enemy, we are now going to advance up to the second floor, repeat the same. Hopefully there's a lot more kills on that one than there was on this floor.
Right guys, anyone else now, yes?
Come on, let's go. Clear. Clear. Other side. Check the small stairs. Go. Let's go. At the top. Come on out. 5, 4. Safe, bro. Safe. Very clear. Yep. Clear.
Okay guys, so that's second floor done. We're actually doing really well. My team is doing absolutely amazing today. They're absolutely nailing everybody. So yeah, that's second floor done. We're going to push up to the third and take that floor too. Let's see how we get on.
Yep. Close dead.
Yes!
Yeah, it's on.
No one pulls up on this.
Oh, James. Cheers, bro.
Okay guys, so in the heat of the moment I ended up killing one of my own teammates. It happens, you don't expect him to get in or advance that quick, but it does happen. So yeah, we're both out. It's a double team kill, so we both have to take our regen. So let's see how we carry on.
Okay, I thought you had to attack this wall.
Are we good?
My nose there.
Is this clear? Yeah. Roger.
Defenders.
Clear.
Is the other side there?
Not yet, I've not checked the dark room. Dark room, Jim. Clear? Clear.
Small stairwell, that's the only thing I haven't cleared.
Oh, the small stairs.
Small stairwell.
Yeah?
Clear.
Clear!
Okay guys, third floor is clear. Now we're going to advance up to the fourth floor for the final stand.
I'm genuinely so cold.
Jim, we're going to split. Me and him's going to go small. You, James, going to let one go up main. We'll meet in the middle. Yeah.
Okay. 3,
Roger.
2, 1, level on.
Clear.
Wow, lovely.
Alright, me gorgeous.
That was a nice well placed grenade.
Thank you.
Is that a tremor?
Yeah.
I didn't think you did tremors.
No, TRM.
I've got it. Oh yeah. Red.
Is this room clear, guys?
Yeah, that one's clear.
Roger. Let's go then.
Put myself.
Make sure no one's under there. Red, yep. Move around here. Go forward, go forward. Okay, Roger. Well done, bro. She's dead. She's dead. Good call, bro. Good call, bro. Sorry, love. She's dead now. Hell yeah. That was a good 50-50 that was, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Are you alright, darling? Comes keen, doesn't it?
No one's allowed in there anyway, that's...
Right, that side's done, I think.
Okay guys, so that final kill that I got was this floor cleared. I do apologise, little lady, for shooting you up, but it happens. It's the name of the game. It's airsoft. Pad up a little bit better next time. That's all I can say. As for my team, absolutely amazing. As for my viewers, I'm sorry there's not many kills on this video, but I had an amazing team on this day. So well done to my team for the way you played. Absolutely annihilated everybody. He was nicking all my kills, that's for sure. So anyway, if you ain't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon next to it so you do get notifications of when my new videos go up. There will be one every Sunday, like I said at the beginning of the film. Also, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you got any comments, leave them down below. I will reply back. I'm not like all the other top end airsofters. I do reply back to the people that comment and follow me and subscribe to me. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm also on there. You catch me anytime on there. Even if it's just for a general chit chat, drop me a message. I'll message you back by all means. I'm always happy to talk to my followers. So this is the end of this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.
Get them all down.